How to find 3% of 10 kilometers in meters. We know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So 10 kilometers is 10,000 meters. To find 3% of 10,000 meters, 3 divided by 100 times 10,000. 10,000 divided by 100 gives 100. 3 times 100 is equal to 300 meters. Easy, right? Now you know 3% of 10 kilometers is 300 meters. Let's find the average of 1.6 meters, 1.2 meters, 1.8 meters, and 1.4 meters. Firstly, add them all up. 1.6 meters plus 1.2 meters plus 1.8 meters plus 1.4 meters equals 6 meters. Then, divide by the number of values, that's 4. Average equals 6 meters divided by 4 equals 3/2 meters. In decimal form, equals 1.5 meters. And there you have it. The average is 1.5 meters. Easy, right? Let's solve for x. Given the ratio, x is to 3 as 3 is to 9. As a fraction, this means x divided by 3 equals 3/9. Cross multiply. 9x is equal to 3 times 3. Divide both sides by 9. X is equal to 3 times 3 divided by 9 equals 9/9. X equals 1. So, the value of x equals 1. Easy math, right? Let's find the ratio of 40 centimeters to 1 meter. Convert 1 meter to centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Now we write the ratio. 40 centimeters to 100 centimeters. Simplify the ratio by dividing both numbers by 20. 40 divided by 20 is equal to 2. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. So, the simplified ratio is 2:5. Easy and done. We know $1 is equal to 100 cents, and that 0.92 euros is also equal to 100 cents. So, if 100 cents equals 0.92 euros, then let's find out how many cents are in 1 euro. 1 euro times 100 cents divided by 0.92 euros. That gives us approximately 109 cents. So 1 euro is worth about 109 US cents. We can write square root 26 to equal square root 25 plus 1. So square root 25 plus 1 equals square root 25 plus 1 divided by 2 times square root 25.
Simplifying.
Square root 25 plus 1 equals 5 plus 1 divided by 2 times 5. That's equal to 5 plus 0.1. Square root 26 is almost equal to 5.1. Quick and easy, right?